Assalamu alaikum, dear student. Good morning to all of you. I hope all of you are very good. And you know that already we have finished our whole book, Alhamdulillah. And just you may ask any questions to me and what problems you have. And based on your problem, based on your questions, I will try to solve every single questions in whole book, no problem. Okay. If you haven't any kinds of questions, I will try to do some CQ. Okay. So first, just let me know my sound quality, video, everything is okay or not. Everything okay. And after that, just ask me questions. Okay. Or you can write your questions, query what it is actually you have. Okay. Just let me know everything is okay or not, line is clear or not. Okay. Sometimes it makes disturbing to all of you. Okay, everything is okay to you? All clear, sir. Very good, Tamid. Everything is okay. Okay, sir. এলজাব্রাতে করাবেন, কাশেম স্যার তো বিজি থাকেন। Okay, no problem. I just ask you wherever you have problems. So line is clear. That's good. Wonderful. Okay, everything is clear, sir. Very good. Everything is okay, sir. Perfect. Okay, so now you may ask questions. Okay, any kinds of questions you can ask me, because whole book, whole syllabus already we have finished. Okay, today is 13th of October. 13th of October. Okay, and Tuesday. Okay, I think you just ask the question. Okay, any kinds of questions based on your whole book. Just ask me any question. Sir, chapter 9. Oh, chapter 9, what it is? Chapter 9 is not a question. Okay. Okay, let me give you one or two CQ questions based on the chapter 10. Okay, I have little preparations for you for chapter 10. Okay, I just made some CQ, or I have taken from somewhere some CQ also. Okay, so let me do it. First, just write some CQ1. Okay, all of you just write this CQ. I think you have no question, because so far you didn't write any questions. If you have any questions, just you can write. Okay, I will try to solve it. First, just write this CQ. Based on this figure, these kinds of CQ I think you will face in the exam. Okay, so A, B, C, D and E. In the figure, okay, AD equal AE. It's given in the question. AD equals AE and BD equals BD equal CE or EC, and ADB angle is equal to AEC angle. Okay. So first, based on the figure and given informations, first question is okay, which state the theorem which is okay, state the theorem which is appropriate for the above. Okay, state the theorem which is appropriate for the above figure and information. Above figure or above information is more than enough. Above information. Okay, state the theorem which is appropriate for the above information. Number B, prove that, okay, prove that AB equals AC, or prove that AB equals AC, or AC equals AB, AC equals AB, no problem, okay. AB equals AC or AB equals AC, AC equals AB or AB equals AC, no problem. Number C, okay, show that, okay, show that this one is O, show that BOE and COD triangles are similar to each other, okay. So these kinds of questions I think you will face in the exam, CQ exam especially, okay. All of you just copy these questions, and after that I will try to solve it, and these kinds of problems will come in the exam. So okay, so you have to just practice a little bit these types of CQ in your home, or just practice these kinds of CQ, okay. So look at that here, two sides we have given, AD equals this, AD equals AE, and BD equals CE, okay, and this angle is equal to this angle. Two angle we have given, so easily we can apply SAS theorem, okay. State the theorem which is appropriate for the above information. So what informations above we have given, which theorems is appropriate or which theorems is fitted for that information, so you have to write it. If you think this another theorems also fit for that, you can write it, but you have to apply it there. You have to show it is appropriate, you have to apply here, okay. For example, if you think this triple S theorems is appropriate for that, but you have written in different theorem, it's not okay. Which information, so which theorems you just mentioned there, you have to apply it, you have to show the application. কম্পালসারি না, কম্পালসারি দিতে হবে এটা কোনো কথা না, কম্পালসারি দিতে হবে এটা কোনো কথা না, কম্পালসারি দিতে হবে, দ্যাটস নট ম্যান্ডেটরি, ওকে. বাট আই থিঙ্ক chapter 10 is very easy. Chapter 10, if you just know the tricks how to apply, okay, this theorem, I think it's very easy for you, okay. That's not compulsory, you have to just answer from chapter 10, it's not mandatory, okay. You have choice. Sir, CQ, is there any option of just skipping the CQ of the one chapter? Yeah, it's not a problem, but for example, this chapter 10 is big chapter, 10.1, 10.2, 10.3. So এমন ভাবেই কোশ্চেনটা করা হবে, I think you can't skip it, okay. You have to answer from chapter 10, because you have to know what it is actually, how to apply the congruency, okay. So far you don't know, I think it's unfortunate. Why you don't know it? Why? What is the problem actually? Just let me know what's your problem. Just write in the comments. Sir, if the answer is SAS, yeah, of course it is SAS. Sir, D দুইবার লিখছেন, কই দুইবার লিখছো? এটা O, এটা D না, এটা O. This is not D, this is O. D দুইবার লিখে নে বাবা, ঠিক আছে. Okay, so let me solve it. Some students are already blocked, so don't write any kinds of unnecessary topic there, okay. You will get blocked, keep in mind, okay, all of you. So let me solve it. This is very easy. So state the theorem which is appropriate for the above information. So look at that here, this one side we have given, another side here, and this is included angle. So easily you can apply SAS theorem. Look at that SAS theorem. SAS theorem. SAS theorem. So this angle must be included. Included angle. This angle must be included angle, and this is two sides two sides of this angle. So look at this angle we have given. So this side is equal to this side, okay, and this side is equal to this side, and this angle given. So this is, of course, it is an included, and we can say this SAS theorem is appropriate for the above information. So the right solution. Okay, so we can write SAS theorem is appropriate for above information, for the above information. Okay, so statement, you have to write the statement. Okay, you have to write the statement, SAS statement you have to write. Okay, if two sides, you know that all of you, two sides and included, if two sides and included angle of one triangle are equal to two corresponding corresponding to sides corresponding to sides and included. Okay, if two sides and included angle of one triangle are equal to corresponding to sides and included angle of another triangle, included angle of another triangle, okay, the triangles are congruent. The triangle are congruent. Okay, the triangle are congruent, that's it. Okay, so you have to mention which theorems is appropriate for that, and you have to write the statement. This is the statement. If two sides and included angle of one triangle are equal to corresponding to sides and included angle of another triangle, the triangles are congruent. Okay, the triangles are congruent. This is SAS theorem, and you have to apply this theorem, and you have to prove this AC equals AB or AB equals AC, no problem, or AB equals AC, this same thing. Okay, you have to apply this theorem, and you have to prove AB equals AC. Okay, so look at that. Okay, look at that. We are just proving this figure we have given, number B. Okay, particular enunciation. Based on this figure, we have to prove AB equals this side is equals to this side is equals to this side. Okay, AB equals AC. Okay, given in the figure, what we have given, AD equals AE. Okay, AD equals AE, ADB angle is equal to AEC angle. Okay, and BD equals CE. Okay, it is required to prove that. It is required to prove that AB equal AC. Okay, this is our target. Okay, no constructions, directly you can go to the proof. Okay, so look at that here. Directly we can take in ADB and AEC triangle, both of this triangle. Most of the informations we have given. Look at that here. This all informations we have given. We have to just apply the SAS theorem. So S means side. So this information so already we have given. AD equals AE. We have to write just given. Okay, and angle also given. ADB is equal to AEC. And keep in mind, from chapter 10 all the time we chose very easy questions from chapter 10. Okay, we don't choose the deep questions. Just we want to just check your basics, what basics you gather. Is it possible to applicable to just everything, every single value is known here. Look at that, these kinds of questions come in the exam normally, not a very hard question. Okay, so look at that, it's also given. Okay, and look at that here, BD equals CE, it's also given. Okay, so by SAS theorem, by SAS theorem we can write this triangle and this triangle congruence. Okay, so we can write ADB congruence with AEC. Okay, AEC triangle. When both triangles are congruent, we can say this side, look at that here, this side and this side are equal. So we can say AB equals AC because they are congruent. Very simple, very easy. Look at that, every single information is given here. Just you have to write. I have seen this lots of copies in previous years. Okay, I mean last year, before last years, and 2, 3 years, 4 years. Okay, I have seen lots of copies who has written lots of stuff. This 1, 2 pages, but they didn't write these 3 informations what given in the question. They didn't write, so they got 0, fully 0. Okay, if you are unable to write appropriately these 3 informations correctly, you will get 0, completely 0. Do you understand? Just you have to apply what theorem you are applying. You have to write these 3 informations, either SS, ASA, SSS or HS theorem. What informations, what theorems you are applying, you have to write those informations clearly here. I hope all of you get the point. Okay, so this is B is proved here. Very simple, very easy, very short. Okay, this is proved here. So I am going to number C. Okay, let me check your comments, everything is okay or not, what's going on. Alles clear, all of you? Yes sir. Sir, bujlam, very good, understood sir, very good. Okay, all of you written sir বুঝলাম স্যার এই সিকিউ এক্সামে আসলে পারবো, এরকম সিকিউ আসবে বাবা, এরকম ইজি সিকিউ আসবে, এক্স্যাক্টলি এটা আসবে না, এমন হতে পারে এটাই চলে আসছে, বলা যাবে না, এটাই চলে আসতে পারে, আবার এরকম টাইপেরই আসবে। হ্যাঁ, 15 নাম্বার কি কারণ হয় নাই কি বলে। ওকে, আন্ডারস্টুড স্যার, ভেরি গুড। ওকে, এরকম টাইপেরই আসবে, সহজ কোয়েশ্চেন আসবে, একদম সহজ কোয়েশ্চেন আসবে। ওকে, এত করানো হয় না। আচ্ছা, 15 নাম্বার করানো হয় না, 15 নাম্বারটা করাইতে হবে। একজনে বলছে স্যার 15 নাম্বারটা করানো হয় না 10.3-র, 15 নাম্বার করে দিতে হবে। দেখি কয়জন লিখো 15 নাম্বার করাইতে হবে। যদি সবাই বলো তাহলে 15 নাম্বার করে দেবে। ইয়েস স্যার, ইটস ভেরি ইজি, আন্ডারস্টুড স্যার। হ্যাঁ, এরকম ইজিগুলোই আসবে পরীক্ষায়। হ্যাঁ, এরকম ইজিগুলোই আসবে। 15 নাম্বার বাকি আছে, দেখি কয়জনে লিখো। 15 নাম্বার যদি করানোর দরকার হয় তাহলে 15 নাম্বার করেই দেবো, কোনো সমস্যা নেই আমার। ওকে, 50 নাম্বার করে দেওয়া যাবে, কোনো সমস্যা নাই। না স্যার লাগবে না। ওকে, অনেকে লিখছে লাগবে না, সো এই জন্য আমি করাইনি ওটা, কারণ এটা বইয়ের একটা এক্সাম্পলে ওটা দেওয়াই আছে কীভাবে করতে হবে, এই জন্য আমি ওটা করাইনি। ঠিক আছে, ভেরি গুড। চলো তাহলে আমরা সি নাম্বারটা করে ফেলি। All are giving the positive response. Someone you have to write, sir, I don't understand, sir, explain it. Okay, write it there. All of you, if all of you have written there, they understood, sir, so I have nothing to do. Everyone understood everything. That's really good, wonderful. Thank you so much, all of you, my dear student. You are really my favorite student. Do you know that? Okay, number C. Okay, number C, we have to probe. Look at that here. This is the figure we have given. Okay, A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D, E, and this one is 0. Not D, Baba. This one is 0. Okay, this one is 0. Okay, this one is 0. So now we have to show that this BOE, we have to show that BOE and COD are similar. Okay, particular enunciation. Okay, given in the figure. Okay, given in the figure, AD equal AD in the figure. Given in the figure what? AD equals AE. Okay, AD equals AE, and AD equals AE, BD equals CE, and ADB is equal to AEC. Okay, it is required to prove that BOE triangle similar to COD triangle. Okay, we have to show both of these triangles are similar. Okay, both of these triangles are similar. Okay, so directly we are going to prove. Okay, we can just write, we can take reference. Okay, already we have proved that what we have proved, AB equals AC, AB equal AC. Okay, I think we don't, just I have written here, if we need we can use it, if we don't need it's okay, no problem. Okay, so given what, ADB angle is equal to AEC angle. ADB angle is equal to AEC angle. ADB angle we can write CDO angle. Okay, and AEC angle we can write BEO angle. Okay, and we can write COD is equal to BOE. So look at that, this one angle is here and another angle is here. It is vertically opposite. So by double a condition, okay, we can say both of this triangle. One important thing we haven't written, we have to write here in. in, you have to just write here in BO BOE and COD. Okay, just this line is missing, in BOE and COD. You have to write here in BOE and COD. Okay, BOE and COD, that's it. By double A conditions we can write BOE triangle similar with COD triangle. Okay, by double A conditions it is okay. All of you understood? Look at that, very simply you just applied here two triangles, two corresponding triangles are equal. You can say both of these triangles are similar. Very simple. Okay, B clips for what? Okay, all of you write in the comments everything. Do you understand everything or not? Very good. So একটু স্লো যান প্লিজ। ওকে, স্লো গেলাম, সমস্যা নাই। Okay, slow gelam, no problem. Okay. Okay, Ajad Aklima, you have written sir 15 নাম্বারটা করান। Okay. আচ্ছা করালাম, সমস্যা নাই, 15 নাম্বারটা করানো যাবে। Done sir, very good. Okay, so let's do 15. Okay. One of our student again and again just written sir 15 নাম্বারটা করান, sir 15 নাম্বারটা করান। কোনো সমস্যা নাই, 15 নাম্বারটা প্রবলেম হলে 15 নাম্বারটা করালাম। 50 নাম্বারটা দেওয়া আছে। ওকে, বইয়ে এটা দেওয়া আছে বাবা, সমস্যা নাই, চলো। ওকে, so 15. Okay, so look at that exercise 10.3 15. Okay, 15 number, what it is? In ABC triangle AB equals AC, and this I think in the question some problems here written here BF and CF are perpendicular. It should be BE and CF are perpendicular to AC and AB. Okay, so you can write, instead of AB you have to write AC, and instead of AC you have to write AB respectively. Draw the figure as per description. It should be description. There's lots of mistakes here in the question. Okay, so as per ABC is a isosceles triangle. I think AB equals AC. We have given A, B, C. Okay, AB and AC is given, is equal. Okay, BE and CF are perpendicular to AB. So this is BE, this is BE, and this one is CF. Okay, this one is CF, perpendicular to not AB and AC. It should be AC and AB. Okay, draw the figure as per descriptions. So this is the figure. Okay, this is the figure. Number B. Okay, show that angle B equals angle C. So we have to show angle B equals angle See, so look at that here. A, B, C, A, B, C. Okay, just draw a median here. You can draw a median. For example, this one is midpoint of BC. You can draw a median, no problem. It look like theorem. We are just follow the structure of theorem 2. Theorem 2 structure we can follow. Okay, structure. Okay, theorem 2, the way it's given in theorem 2, we can follow it just. Okay. Okay, so particular enunciation. Let A, B, C. Okay, given, it's not let, given A, B, C is a triangle. Okay, AB equals AC. That means isosceles triangle, very simple. Okay, ABC is a triangle, AB equals AC. Okay, it is required to prove that. 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 Okay, B angle is equal to C angle. Okay, B angle is equal to C angle. Construction. Okay, construction. We draw a median AD on BC. Okay, join AD. Or it's okay, no problem. We draw a median AD on BC. That's it. More than enough. Okay. Okay, so I am going to prove. So look at that, very simple, very easy. You can write ABD triangle and ACD triangle. Okay, in ABD and ACD triangle, AB equal AC. Where from? It's given in the question. Okay, and BD equal CD by construction. By constructions, and AD equal AD. Okay, common side. Okay, so therefore we can write ABD congruence with ACD. So therefore ABD angle is equal to ACD angle. So look at that here. ABD angle, we can write ABC, and ACD we can write ACB. Okay, so B angle is equal to C angle. Okay, we can write with 3 letters, or simply we can write B angle equals to C angle. It is proved here. Okay, before going to number C, just write in the comments. Okay, student who has problems on this math, do you understand or not? Okay, all is clear, everything, all of you? Yes sir. Okay, Tashfiya Zahra. Understood, sir. Clear, sir. Very good. Thank you. Okay. এই যে মাসুক স্যার উল্টাপাল্টা যদি কিছু লিখেন তাহলে কট খাবেন, বুঝছেন? অনেকে ব্লকড হয়ে চুপ করে বসে আছেন। উল্টাপাল্টা কিছু লিখবেন, সাথে সাথে ব্লক হয়ে যাবেন মিনিমাম 1 সপ্তাহের জন্য। Okay, so let's start number C. See what it is. We have to look at that here in the book. I think in questions we have little problem. BE angle equals CF. It is not correct. It should be BE equals CF. Okay, prove that BE equals CF. Okay, we have to prove BE equals CF. Okay, so I'm starting from here. We have to BE equals CF. BE equals CF. So figure already we have given A, B, C. Okay, AB equals AC. So it is isosceles triangles already we have mentioned. We have to, this is already we have given, this is BE and this is CF. Okay, CF perpendicular. We have to prove that BE equals CF. We have to prove it. Okay, so particular enunciation in the figure okay, ABC, AB equals AC. Okay, and BE perpendicular, look at that BE, it's given in the questions, right? It's given. So BE perpendicular AC and CF perpendicular AB. Okay, it is required to prove that BE is equal to CF. Okay, B is equal to CF. Now construction, directly we can go to proof. Okay, so look at that here. Easily we can prove it. Given in first step we can write given BE perpendicular AC. It's given in the question. Okay, and CF perpendicular AB. So we can write BEC is equal to BEC, this angle, and we can write CFB is equal to 90 degree. So we got 90 degree. That means both of these angle is equal. Already we get. Okay, and number 2, in ABC triangle AB equals AC, it's given in the question. Okay, AB equals AC, and we know that when these two sides of any triangles is equal, we can say their opposite angles must be equal. So we can write here ACB is equal to ABC, or we can write ABC is equal to ACB. You have to write it here. In a triangle opposite angle of equal side must be equal. In a triangle, opposite angle of equal side must be equal. Okay, in a triangle, opposite angle of equal side must be equal. You have to write it. Okay, so look at that. We can write ABC, we can write FBC, and ACB we can write ECB, same angle. So from 1 we will take this angle, and from 2 we will take this angle, and BC is the common. So easily we can prove both of these triangles are congruent. Okay, and after that we can say this BE equals CF. Okay, so step 3. Now we are taking BEC angle triangle and CFB both of this triangle. We can take BEC. Look at that. BEC angle is equal to CFB angle, each 90 degree from 1. Okay, we have taken. Okay, and we can write here, look at that, from 2, FBC equals ECB. FBC is equal to ECB from 2. Okay, and BC equal common side. So we can write by ASA theorem. Both of this triangle and this triangles are congruent. Easily we can write BEC congruence with CFB. Okay, if I given the exam both of these triangles are equal, you can also write both of these triangles are equal. Okay, if I given both of these triangles are similar, don't be worried. Okay, sir given similar here, how I can prove it similar? Because if two triangles are congruent, we can say both of these triangles are similar also. Okay, so if they are congruent, we can say both of are similar. So if both of these triangles are congruent, we can say BE equals CF. Okay, proved. Okay, if given the similar, you can write BEC and CFB are similar to each other. Because what? Because both of them are congruent. If similar is given, you can write this way. Okay, if similar is given, you can write this way. Similar is given. Okay, if just you have to write this one lines, both of these triangles are similar to each other because both of them are congruent. When two triangles are congruent, we can say both of these triangles are similar. Okay, it's easy. Okay, so number 15, who told me sir 15 করার নাই 15 করে দিয়ে দিলাম. So whole book is finished. Okay, tomorrow I want to take one test of you based on chapter 10. Okay, it should be revised. Okay, we have I think 2-3 minutes time. and I want to take one test tomorrow. I think tomorrow is not appropriate time because we have only one day. Okay, understood. Very no mood today, sir. No mood today. Why no mood today? Ask me some question. Why you are not asking me question? Okay, Talha Jim 15. Okay, finish Baba 15. Thank you, sir, for this class. Okay. No, sir, no test. No test. Why no test, sir? কালকে না প্লিজ। ওকে, কালকে নিলাম না, সমস্যা নাই। আমরা মানডেতে নিব। হ্যাঁ, মানডেতে টেস্ট নিব। কালকে আমরা আরও 2-3টা সিকিউ করাবো এটার উপর। আগামীকাল tomorrow I will give 2 or 3 CQ, okay, with solution, and next Monday we will take one test. Next Monday based on only chapter 10, 10.1, 10.2, 10.3. Okay, just 2 CQ I will give you. Okay, and within this time you have to write 2 CQ. Okay, all of you, what it is, I think we have 1 or 2 minutes more time, so just ask me any question and give me a chance to answer your question. বুঝছি, মানডেতে নিবে। ওকে, হ্যাঁ মানডেতে নিবে। নেক্সট মানডেতে, ইয়েস। কাজী কে হাসিনা, ইয়েস, নেক্সট মানডে, আই মিন নেক্সট উইক মানডে। ওরে রুহান আসছে। Okay, no problem. Thank you so much, all of you. Okay, see you tomorrow at 12 o'clock. Okay, I will give you 2 or 3 CQ maximum, okay, with solution. I will discuss it, what it is, how you have to apply the theorems in the problem. Okay, see you in next class. Assalamu alaikum.